Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft Story Mode on Xbox. First, make sure your Xbox console is connected to the internet. You'll need an active connection to download the game and any additional episodes. Next, head over to the Xbox Store. You can purchase the complete season or individual episodes there. Once purchased, simply download and install the game to your console's storage. After installation, you're ready to launch it directly from your dashboard. Minecraft Story Mode is an episodic adventure where your decisions truly matter. Throughout the game, you'll be presented with dialogue options and critical choices that shape the story's direction and your relationships with other characters. Be prepared for quick-time events, which require you to press specific buttons at the right moment to succeed. Also, take your time to explore each environment thoroughly. You might uncover important clues or items. The game is structured into several distinct episodes, each offering a unique part of the overarching story. Typically, an episode can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours to complete, depending on your pace and exploration. Don't worry about manual saves. Your progress is automatically saved at crucial checkpoints throughout each episode. If you want to see different outcomes, you can always replay episodes and make alternative choices. To fully enjoy Minecraft Story Mode, pay close attention to all character dialogue. It often contains vital information. Don't be afraid to experiment with different dialogue choices on subsequent playthroughs to see how the story can change. Immerse yourself in the unique narrative and the familiar, blocky world of Minecraft. For an even more engaging experience, consider playing with friends and discussing your choices together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.